Atlas classes. In the previous science class, we have studied about habitat and adaptation. What is habitat and what is adaptation? So habitat means, I have said, according to habit, an organism live at a place, it is its habitat, and according to the environment in which an organism live, it makes different types of changes in its lifestyle. That is adaptation. Now we are going ahead today. We will study different types of habitat. What are the different types of habitat? So there are major three types of habitat: the aerial habitat, the terrestrial habitat, and the aquatic habitat. You can say the line can change, the words can differ. You can say the aerial habitat, the terrestrial habitat, the aquatic habitat. You can first call aquatic habitat, terrestrial habitat, and aerial habitat. It makes no difference. Now we are going to discuss one by one what is the difference between them. Now, as we see here, types of habitat. Types of habitat means in which condition an organism lives in its surrounding. So there are major three types of habitat. The first is the aquatic habitat. The second is the terrestrial habitat. The third is the aerial or arboreal habitat. Means aquatic. What do you mean by aquatic? Aquatic means in water. Or habitat मतलब a place where an organism live. So aquatic means in water, और habitat मतलब where an organism live. Means you can simply say that those organisms which live in fresh water or marine water. Marine water means sea water, salty water. They are known as aquatic habitat. Means what kind of habitat does a fish has? A fish is adapted to an aquatic habitat because it lives in fresh water as well as sea water. So now the second is terrestrial. Terrestrial means land. What do you mean? Terrestrial means land. Habitat means the place where an organism live. मतलब terrestrial habitat, those animals which live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Simply don't take it too hard, take it easy. Aquatic means water. ठीक है? Aquatic habitat means habitat, a place where an organism live. Aquatic habitat means those organisms which live in water. It may be a fresh water, it may be a marine water, sea water, salty water, or saline water, whatever you call it. You may call it. Second is terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial, the word terrestrial means land, and habitat मतलब place where an organism live, means those organisms which live on land are known as terrestrial animals or terrestrial habitat. And third is aerial. Aerial means in air. ठीक है? तो air is not such kind of medium where an organism can live past all its life. It either sits on trees or other places, means it has a link somewhere or the other with the land also, or the trees or other things. So these animals are also known as aerial animals or arboreal animals. So although air is not a suitable medium which support life, it is not a kind of medium that support life, because there, for a life, there must be oxygen, there must be food, ठीक है, तो everything, there must be water. So if any organism live in, we say that this is an aerial animal, means where it will get water to drink. There is no lake in the air, it will not drink water in the sky, it will have to come on the land in some way or the other, means, but they are adapted for aerial existence. Their body is made in such a way that they can even live in the air. Those animals are known as aerial animals. Means, for example, bird, bat, insect, etc. So is it clear? Now we are repeat again. Concentrate your minds. I am going to repeat it again. Aquatic. Aquatic means water. Habitat means a place where an organism lives. मतलब those organisms which live in water are known as aquatic animals. Terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial means land. Habitat means a place where an organism lives. Means those organisms that live on land are known as terrestrial animal. Aerial or arboreal animals means those animals which live in air. We cannot say completely air, but their body are adapted to air. Those animals are known as aerial animals or arboreal animals. The example of aquatic habitat, you can write a fish. Example of terrestrial animal, you can write any of the animals which live on land. Land means on the mountain, in the jungle, okay? And in our surrounding, we ourselves on land. Terrestrial animal and aerial animals, that those animals which body are apt to aerial habitat is known as aerial habitat or arboreal habitat. They have to come for food and shelter on trees and other things also. We will go in detail about aerial and arboreal once more, but it is the main three categories. So I hope you understand. If you have any problem, you can ask your question, and the same thing I will tell again. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the video.